Jesus, it's so horrible outside, but I must find content for YouTube. Guys, there's no supercars or anything out here. I'm dying for content, I'm desperate. What if I put my phone in this fire? I wonder what would happen. Jeez, it is not good outside. This is disgusting. I don't know what I'm doing out here. Why? It's freezing, it's raining, but I'm out here trying to find content. I must search far and wide, no matter how peril it may be. There's content out there. I can feel it. Guys, I'm so desperate for content right now. Oh God. I don't want to wait until Sunday. Sunday, something's going on. It's called Motors and Mimosas out in West Austin. So hopefully there's going to be good content. But for now, I'm suffering. It's cold, it's freezing. I don't know what I'm doing out here. What am I doing? Okay, yes. Yes, I knew it. I knew it was worth being out here. I found some beautiful content. Look at that. No way. That's an icon. Oh man, just my luck. Nice. Porsche, can't think of exactly what year and this is. But nice. Got a matching Macan. Nice. Very nice. Classic with matching Macan. What do you guys think? Alright, so this event is put together by Lamborghini of Austin, Steiner Ranch Steakhouse, and Heels and Horsepower. So, follow them on Instagram. Should be at Heels and Horsepower. Stratman spotting, we got 3 Lamborghini Gallardos. We got the Super Leggera. Pretty sure this is a 2014. Man, this one has so much carbon fiber, guys. Look at that. Look at that. So much carbon fiber. That wing is ridiculous. So much carbon fiber. This one's a pretty sweet carbon fiber rear diffuser here. This green is amazing. Pearl white Lamborghini Gallardo next to the Super Leggera. And then really nice black one. Very nice, very nice. We got two Audi R8 Spiders. This was a V10 and it's brown. Huh. What do you guys think? Chocolate Audi R8. V10. V10 though. As long as it's a V10. It's all good. It's all good, I think. And then Bentley Bentayga. Alright. So good day. Beautiful day over here in Austin, Texas. We got the dog vlog. Hey!
Hey.
This is Odin. Our new dog.
He was sleeping.
Labrador Shar-Pei mix.
He likes the gorillas.
Yep, he likes the gorillas. He really chills out to the gorillas, which is good and weird.
Yeah.
What do you think?
It's weird.
Yeah.
He's whining right now.
Oh, he wants his gorillas back. But if I do, I'll get copyright striked. I don't want that. For Odin.
Oh. Alright. Bye.
Bye. Jeez, you guys. Okay, so this Porsche, not sure the exact 911, but it got hit. This 911 got hit on its right side. The owners they are not happy. They are really freaking pissed. They were revving it earlier. But yeah, look, they're looking at the side that it got hit, and he is not happy. I can't zoom in all the way. This is the most I can zoom. God dang. I would be pissed. On this gorgeous day here in Austin, Texas. What did you get yourself into? Look what you did. How does this happen? Wrapping yourself all around. Come on, Odin. You know better. There it went. Okay, here it comes. It's actually coming back out. And they were seen on the right side. Oh, we can't see it. It's actually on the other side. This is where it got scraped. There it goes. Thank you all for watching this video. Tell me in the comments what you liked or disliked and what you like to see more of. For now, videos will be posted once a week, but if this video gets 100 likes, I will post twice a week. But for now, like, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell icon if you want to see more coming up. Follow my Instagram, SamrayGTR. Have an unstoppable day, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye!